short one.
3 engines.
Choo-choo, motherfuckers.
Need a smoker? Need a smoker?
What do you mean?
A grill.
No, I
A
like...
treadmill.
No. Was that you? Look at that caddy. Yeah, not old enough. Wait, I'd rather go to Dylan's. Because it'd be hard to get out of, Dollar Tree. I don't trust the dealership that blocks the view. Honk honk, motherfucker. Hey.
It barely turned.
You gotta stay sharp, especially in Los Angeles. Yeah, I know. Or in New York, it's even worse there.
Have you ever been in New York?
My mom has. If she says it's bad, then it's bad.
I drove to New York, it's not that bad. What'd she go to New York
I don't know. She either got lost or something.
for? How do you get lost?
She didn't know where she was. Duh.
Well, what was she doing up there?
I don't know.
Well, you can't just know part of the story.
Can we go to Big Dylan's?
Nope.
Please?
I'm going to Dollar Tree.
Please?
No can do, Chuckles.
Please? Please? Please, oh please, oh please. I'm pathetic, am I?
Very. Hold on.
Alright.
Not you, the lady on the phone. You're not supposed to talk and drive, remember?
Very smart of you.
What can I say? Smart cookie.
Yep. That's a Ford Thunderbird.
No.
No, that white car. Wait, no, that's a Chrysler.
Okay, get out of here. Let's take this phone call.
I gotta get a photo of that Chrysler. Ow! Damn! Seriously? Well, YouTube, I beg you, go and see you later. Bye.